So in our previous location, you would see people reserve an office, and there would never be a person in the office. And the briefcase and the PC and the coat had one of the best views in town.
What we wanted to do now is make sure that people were really booking the type of space that they needed for that period of time and then moving to another place. We've got about 55% of our workforce is Gen Y, about 40% is Gen X, and the rest are baby boomers. With a really young workforce, there's a different expectation about how they work.
People don't have to come to the office every day to do their work. They come to the office for a different reason. It's coming to collaborate with others.
We've always had a very, very efficient portfolio. We started hoteling about 10 years ago. What we really wanted to do now is look at how we're using space and recognize that we really can compress our space even more.
All clients are looking for more effective and more efficient workplace. So we don't have a client out there that isn't asking, how can my real estate work harder for me?
Workplace 2.0 is a global initiative that we have. This Houston project is actually our first pilot location for it, and it's been extremely successful. But we're working with every geography around the world in implementation right now. The workplace strategy is really grounded on what we call the 4 E's: efficiency, effectiveness, engagement of our people, and environmental responsibility.
Accenture always has focused on efficiency, and we have about 1 seat for every 8 people supported out of this location. Our focus on effectiveness centered around supporting the collaborative technology to help our people be more productive.
And so we want to make sure that it's a very engaging experience and that people learn something by being here that they wouldn't know by not being here. From an environmental point of view, our footprint is really 2/3 business travel and 1/3 real estate. So we really wanted this project to be an opportunity to really reduce both of those.
We worked with Steelcase's Applied Research Consulting Group.
They had full access to our offices and helped build a very strategic approach early on in the process.
They also did observation photos, really watching work in action.
We transitioned from 3 floors and about 66,000 square feet to 1 floor and about 25,000 square feet.
Every space was multifunctional.
The cafe space is meeting space. So it's not just a lunchroom. It's a place where individual work can happen. We put technology into that area to support collaboration.
Every space will accommodate 1 to 2 individuals working. So I think that's a pretty progressive shift that Accenture embraced. In order to facilitate really engaging collaborations, we had the need for a technology solution that would bring people together in small groups, allow them to share information. It's really shifting the collaboration to a more interactive and true working session.
We incorporated Seascape because of the efficient footprint. It allowed us to get a fair number of seats into a relatively small area.
So the bench application enables a group of people working together as well as individuals working autonomously.
Our most important asset are our people. And so we want to make sure that we are leveraging our people as best we can. And I think this space helps to do that because they have a chance to team with others, and it's that interaction that really makes that engagement happen.
Most of our offices were full of closed doors before, and the doors are really open now, and we're finding that people are much more connected to each other.
If I feel really connected, then my work will be better. I'll be inspired, I'll be more creative, I'll be more innovative, and that's really where business results are coming from.
I really enjoy the space. I enjoy working out in the open. There's just a higher energy to the office.
The Accenture brand is something that's always been represented by high performance. We think about our personality being smart, innovative, collaborative, flexible, and pragmatic, and I think this office really encourages those kinds of behaviors.
We can be more productive, thus we can give our clients better service at a lower cost, and we all become high-performance organizations as a result.